Nestled in the historic city of Mérida, Yucatan, Dolores is a striking example of architectural restoration that honors the past while embracing the present. Originally built in the early 20th century, this modest home was part of a unique social initiative, a charity raffle that offered houses to workers. Over the decades, however, the original architectural identity of the neighborhood faded due to fragmented modifications by its residents. The architects at FMT Estudio approached this project with a deep respect for the home's historical context. Their primary aim was to recover the character of the original structure while enhancing it to meet modern living needs. The original single-volume masonry gallery, with its concrete roof and adjoining kitchen space, was preserved and reinforced to serve as the centerpiece of the new design. The material palette, featuring locally sourced wood, national marble, and on-site fabricated coatings, adds warmth and authenticity to the space. The use of serene, neutral colors complements the natural tones of these materials, allowing the architectural features to shine while creating a peaceful atmosphere within the home. Careful attention was given to the design of windows and doors, contributing to a consistent and refined architectural language. The integration of handcrafted finishes and thoughtful details created a seamless transition between the old and new. These design choices not only enhance the aesthetic value but also reflect a deep cultural sensitivity. To accommodate the client's request for new bedrooms, service areas, and a swimming pool, the team reorganized the entire property. Contemporary extensions were strategically placed at the rear and upper level of the house, clearly distinguished from the old structure through lighter, modern volumes. This contrast was intentional, creating a dialogue between the past and the present while maintaining architectural harmony. Beyond its walls, Dolores speaks to a larger urban vision. The project is a case study in how individual buildings can contribute to the character and coherence of entire neighborhoods. It reminds us that, amid rapid development and real estate speculation, preserving historical memory is essential for building meaningful, livable cities. Through this sensitive renovation, Dolores becomes more than a home. It becomes a beacon, a hopeful example of how architecture can bridge time, respect community identity, and inspire thoughtful urban evolution. For homeowners and designers alike, it offers a blueprint for creating spaces that are both timeless and grounded in place.